Alright, so here's our street, and if you're turning, here's our house. Everything's covered in snow. It's been snowing all day. It just stopped. I just got home, and it's been a lot of fun driving on the snow. Not really. A lot of ice because it's only been in about the upper 20s most of the day, so it snows and refreezes, and melts and refreezes and such. The snow's pretty thick. You can see how deep my shoes are going. I mean, relatively thick, I guess. But come on over here. Hopefully I don't yard sale it. Come into our backyard back here. And we got a fair amount of snow in the backyard today, so it's pretty interesting. There's our house back here. Whew, a lot of snow. Just put my foot in and it dropped. So, anyways, it's kind of cool. Pretty, I guess. Anyhow, we'll go get some video of the house soon. So.